Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. And also you can like and comment on this video. You can share your experience using this strategy so far or any strategy in our video. And also you can join our Telegram group, is in the description of this video. You can join for mentorship. You can also join for VIP group, whereby you catch up a trade every day. So guys, I've released a video on boom 1000 and boom 500 about how you can use this particular strategy to catch up your sell entry. So guys, in this video I'm going to be explaining in crash 1000 and crash 500 and how you can use this strategy to take up a buy entry. So guys, let me show you the settings of this indicator so that you can set it up on your PC. So we have the first moving average, which is on our main chart. We have the period of 20. We have method to be simple. We have apply to open. We have our style to be in red color, and you can choose any of your color of your choice. So you press on done. Then you have your indicator window one. We have the MACD. We have the fast one to be in 12. We have the slow to be in 26. We have the SMA to be in 9. We have apply to close. We have our main and our signal to be in red. And you see that you can also press done. Then you have your relative strength index. We have the period of 14. We have apply to close. We have style to be in 3. And we have our level to be in 80, 50, and 15. You see that? So then you press on done. So once you do that, you will have the same chart the way I have it here. Don't forget that we have our MACD as our histograph in this move, and it's also the move there. And we also have the second MACD, which is the red line that is crossing above, and we have our RSI to be in our blue color here. You see, these are the things that is very important. And you also have a level, which is the level of 85. We have of 50. We have of 15. So this three level is very important also for you to take a trade. And the first thing you need to analyze out is to first identify this your histograph moving on the 15 level. Once you can confirm that your histograph is moving on the 15 level on crash 1000 and crash 500, then that is your first confirmation. And the second confirmation is that your red line, which I call the MACD 9, is going to cross above the histograph. It's going to cross above the histograph. And once it cross above the histograph, that is the right time for you to take up your trade. You see, the red line, it cross above the histograph. And once it give us a sign here, we have our entry at this particular moment. So you can easily enter your market at this level. And once you enter your market at this level, you can keep on selling, you can keep on buying the market till you have your mind to take out of the entry. But don't forget to always set up your stop loss. So your stop loss will be at the last spike at this moment, and you enter your market at this moment, and you keep on selling up. As you can see now, currently now the market is still buying because it respect that particular level. So let me show you more sample of it. Guys, you see, this is another sample of it. You see, the first thing you need to confirm is to first confirm your histograph that is on the 15 level. And once you confirm that, you have your histogram, which is the red line here. The MACD is crossing above the histograph, and once it's crossed above the histograph, you enter your market at this particular moment. So once you enter your market at this entry, then you keep on buying up your market to you get time to take off your trade. But don't forget, your stop loss will always be the last spikes. And guys, let me tell you, that's exactly how it works. Let me show you some more of example. Just make sure you always confirm that your histograph is on 15 level. You see, like this it show up, then you wait for the red line, which is the MACD, to cross above the histograph. And once it cross above the histograph, then you can easily enter your market at this level and keep on buying the market. You see that? So let me show you how it works on crash 1000, so that you also can have the great ideas and experience. You see that? You see you need to first confirm your histograph. Once you confirm your histograph that is on 15 level, then you wait for your MACD to cross above. And once it's crossed above, then you enter your market and you keep on buying up the market. You see that? Buy up the market up to like 20 to 25 can do now. And that's how it works. You see, it works more better on 1 minute time frames. So what you just need to do is for the MACD, which is the red line, to cross above. You see it cross above here. It give the histograph a space from this particular side, and once you have that confirmation, then you can enter the market. And once you enter the market, you keep on you keep on buying up the market. You see that? So you keep on buying up the market. So now guys, I'm going to release another video on how to use this same strategy to catch up a spikes. So guys, if you see, this is another entry at this confirmation. You confirm the histograph, then you wait for your red line to cross above. And once it's crossed above, you can keep on enter your market. You see guys, it keep on buying up currently. So guys, that's exactly how it works. So you wait for an entry, you wait for your confirmation, and once it is done, then you keep on you keep on taking your buy entry. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. It's going to help us a lot. And if you are also going to likes, you will also help us to likes and comment on this video, and share your experience so far using this particular strategy or any strategy on our video on our channel. And you can also join our Telegram group for mentorship and for VIP group. Guys, thanks.